Take some scrap polymer clay. Roll it into a pointy cylinder. Cut the excess. Grab toothpicks and cut 8 like I'm doing it. Grab a toothpick and insert it on the bottom. Take translucent liquid Sculpey and spread it all around. Place them all around as I'm doing it. Press the sticks very well, so they stick to the clay. I'm using a dotting tool to define the indents. Covering the piece with liquid clay. After baking, I apply nail top coat. Cut the stick below. Place adhesive below. Stick the piece on top. The hot glue gun is hot and loaded. Pour it covering the entire piece. Some spots need more attention. I add more where needed. Add double the amount to cover well. Let it dry completely. Carefully cut in half as I'm doing. To keep it secure, I put some rubber bands. I put more glue below so the mold can stand up. I mix UV resin with red, white, and blue. I pour each color and cure with UV light. I put the stick on the last color, but it didn't turn out well. Slowly unmold. For the second one I didn't put the stick. I'd rather make the hole after it is cured. I applied a top coat for extra glossiness.